was just looking for this.
Hey you guys, back at it again with another cooking video because you know your girl loves to eat. So today I'm doing this really easy, beginner-friendly pizza dough recipe for you guys. It's really just a pizza recipe. I'd made a flatbread, so if you want like a normal pizza crust, just don't roll out the dough so thin. That's all I can really say. So only ingredients that I used was unbleached all-purpose flour, olive oil, I used some brown sugar, just to like add some flavors, some Himalayan salt, and about a cup of water. I will have like all of the instructions / ingredients in the description box below. So I also added some dry herbs to the dough just to, you know, add some flavor to it. And I also am adding even more herbs to the crust whenever I rolled it all out. But you guys will see that if you continue to watch. I hope you guys enjoy. So whenever I make pizza crust, I always like to add water as I go. I don't like to like really just put it all in at once because it is supposed to be a little bit sticky compared to like normal bread dough. So in this scenario, less is more. So the trick to rolling out pizza dough, since the dough is so sticky, whenever you're rolling it, you want to make sure you're lifting the rolling pin, because if you don't, it will roll onto the pin itself. And I believe it did. Yeah, I just did it right there. So yeah, make sure you guys are not doing that and flipping the dough as you go to make sure you're getting all the sides, you know, just getting a little even. So apparently you have to like stab the dough. If not, like it will like create air bubbles in the crust. I haven't tried not stabbing it because I'm scared to even try. But yeah, you guys, and I just added some garlic, added some more dried herbs to the crust after putting on the olive oil. So for this recipe, the dough only lasts for 24 hours, and to preserve it for later use, you want to just cover it up with olive oil and then cover the container and put it in the fridge, and it should be good to go. I still can't believe I ruined that lid. I had it sitting on the eye. My oven was on like 425, so it melted. But yeah, you guys, I'm just chopping up my toppings. I put mushrooms, jalapeno peppers, onions, feta cheese, and some Mexican blend cheese. And I topped it off with some green onions. And hold up the sun. So I cooked the pizza on 425 for about 14 to 16 minutes until I get like the desired crust color that I like. I don't know what else to say. Like, this shit is good. It's banging. The jalapeno peppers are not hot. So if you guys are like, oh my gosh, this girl eating hella jalapeno peppers, it's not hot. The seeds are like roasted, so you know, I really don't taste anything. I know my booty hole will feel it in a couple of days, but you know, we ain't there yet.